Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Mary Jane Alingog Casillas, 42 years old, have 5 children, ages 14, 12, 9, 5, and 2 years old, living at Cuevas, Kawayan City, Isabela. I am the third child of the family. I took computer secretarial and undergraduate in college.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I worked in Lebanon for 2 years and 6 months. I served one elderly and one adult. I do all the household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, and washing. I also worked here in the Philippines for 2 years and 2 months. I served with a couple and 2 children, ages 3 months old and 6 years old. I do all the household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, and washing.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I check that when the baby is sick, I check the temperature and call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm honest, hardworking, and patient.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I work in abroad for my family, sir.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my mother.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus to my work, sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at 10 p.m. and I wake up at 5 a.m.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I become impatient, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to rent van in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Dear Mom, sir, please select me as your helper. I'm patient, honest, and hardworking. If you select me,
Okay. Thank you.
thank you, sir. Sir! Ano ba yun, sir?